Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I'll be talking about the world of ESL, how to become an online ESL teacher. And I am going to answer the frequently asked questions about ESL. It is imperative that we know and researches about it, right? And of course, we are going to save the best for last, or the best questions for last. Okay, first, what is ESL? ESL means English as a Second Language. What does an ESL teacher do? ESL teacher instructs students whose first language isn't teaching in reading, writing, and conversing effectively. These professionals are also sometimes called English for speakers of other languages. That's why we do have TESOL courses. And these teachers approach English skills from a real-life perspective, often focusing on conversational and job-related communication skills. It requires education. You have to earn a bachelor's degree, obtain ESL training, professional licensing, and of course, experience. However, in this video, we are going to focus on online ESL teaching, which is such good news for those who are not a teacher by profession. Third, is it possible to be an ESL teacher even if I'm not a teacher or I'm an undergrad? Okay. Yes, absolutely. Given the upsurge in the demand for ESL teachers, it is now possible to be an online ESL teacher even if teaching is not your profession. There are a lot of ESL companies nowadays that hire new teachers with or without experience, and even undergraduates or those who are currently studying. Lastly, okay, so this is the best question. How to become an online ESL teacher? Okay, to become an online ESL teacher, it is generally required to have at least one of these teaching certificates. Okay, like TEFL, TEYL, TESOL. Okay, there are a lot more certificates out there. So you can get a free TEFL course and get an e-copy of that certificate, But if you're going to use that to teach abroad, then you need a hard copy of that certificate, and that's when you need to pay for it. You'll find the link to the course and the exam guide in the description below. However, TESOL is not free. But good news, you'll get it at an affordable price through Metro Deal. The passing score to get the certificate for TESOL is 55%. Again, don't worry because you can find the free tutorial and exam guide in this channel as well. In fact, you'll find the link to the tutorial in the description. So basically, that's it. Other than that, you'll need a secure internet connection, neutral accent, and I think it's also important that you are friendly, engaging, patient, and creative. You need to show these traits during the demo or during your demo class because ESL companies don't do interviews anymore. So you need to do your best during the demo class. I already have some videos on how I aced my demos and get hired successfully in the ESL companies I applied to before. So you will also find this in this channel. And I do hope that you find this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Sharing is caring. God bless your application.